Good morning. This is Makana here, and we're going to do a practice of morning Nidra. And I hope you're already comfortable, maybe in bed, and a little blanket over you. And just start to take in your surroundings. Start to observe your own breath without judgment, allowing your breath to rise and fall naturally. Landing in your body, and the gravity of the room is giving way to the gravity of your body. You can start to feel all the places your body connects to the bed, to the surface that you're resting on. And letting your hands be soft, your feet, your hips, letting your jaw be soft. Start with your lips just gently closed and your teeth slightly apart. Eyes softly closed if that's comfortable for you. We'll now begin the practice of Yoga Nidra. As I name a different body part, breathe into the area. Imagine sending your breath with softness, gentleness, with ease, and with whole intuitive understanding of your own body's magical power to heal, renew itself. First, breathing in to the crown of your head. Imagine a warm, cascading sense like warm honey moving down to the area you're breathing into, rolling down from the crown of your head, down to your brow, the space between your eyebrows. Breathing in gentleness and flow and pure magical rest. Being one with the air, with the sound waves, just dropping any resistance to where you are, who you are, what you are. A living being that's part of nature, that's connected to a larger network, harmoniously one. Breathe into the brow space, from your brow to your right eye socket, right eyelid, space between where the eyelids meet, your left eye socket, left eyelid, the space between where the upper and lower eyelid meets. Breathing in gentleness. Breathing in magical rest. Inhale gently into the front of your throat and create space there, warmth, opening to healing. Breathing in to your shoulder. Breathing in from your right shoulder down to your right elbow. Right elbow down to your right wrist. And any last need for shifting, release any last bit of twitching in your body and just surrender to the gravity of the bed. Breathe into the tip of your right thumb. Summon rest, gentleness, and release. With each breath, you become more and more relaxed and more able to surrender. Tip of the right finger, tip of the middle finger, tip of the ring finger, tip of the pinky finger. Release. Center of the palm, open, expand, release. Breathe in gentleness into your whole right hand. Breathe in spaciousness and gentleness into your right wrist. And let the breath naturally guide you through right wrist to right elbow, right elbow to right inner armpit, right shoulder joint to right chest, right chest to center of the chest, center of the chest to left side of the chest, left shoulder down to left elbow, release, let go. Left elbow to left wrist, soften, open, invite gentleness. Tip of the right thumb, tip of the left thumb, tip of the left index finger, start to relax more. Tip of the left middle finger, tip of the left ring finger, left pinky. Invite gentleness and surrender to your left hand. Gliding with your breath from left wrist to left elbow, left elbow to left inner armpit, left shoulder to center of the left chest, and the space just above the center of the left chest. Invite gentleness and release. Invite pure surrender to the center of your chest. Breathe into the right chest, center of the right chest, space above the right chest. Invite gentleness and release. Coming down to the ribs, breathing into the belly, breathing in gentleness into the belly. And feeling that warmth, that tingling in all the areas of the body you've breathed into thus far. Rest in pure ease and gentleness, uniting the awareness of your left hand, up your left arm, your left arm to your left chest, left chest to left side of the belly, the right side of the belly, up the right rib cage to the right chest, right shoulder down, uniting the whole of the right arm in rest and gentleness. Feeling that tingling and gravity in your hands, right and left, united in awareness. Right shoulder and left shoulder, gently unified. Lower part of the body, from belly up to chest, unified, gentle rest, rising to the front of your throat, the back of your neck, to the crown of your head, and landing in your brow space. And welcoming that sensation of warm, gentle release in front of your brow, front of your logic center releases, and your consciousness can shift to just observing and being mindful with this state. Welcome in the darkness, a sense of observation of your inner mind. And like in the dream space, you can allow any images that want to dance in the darkness of your mind space to take shape without attaching to them with any story or even giving them any thought. And just simply observe what plays in the inner mind space, like a curious watcher of a play. And invite pure gentleness into this observation, pure ease. Allowing your breath to gently rise and fall, observing the play of inhale and exhale, of inner space, darkness, and imagery. And bringing your awareness gently to the wholeness of the relaxation of your being. You can choose to rest here longer. And you may even choose to fall back asleep. But before you do so, gently thank your body, your mind for allowing you to fully embrace this magic practice of conscious, aware rest. And repeat these words to yourself. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.